Well, it's the start of the new year, and with award season in full swing, demand for non-invasive beauty treatments with minimal downtime is through the roof.
Okay, we have one of the country's leading anti-aging specialists. He has 3 exciting beauty treatments that he's calling the future of skincare in 2024. I'm so excited about this. Please welcome Dr. Daniel Campos.
Dr. Campos, welcome.
Thank you.
You got to be incredibly busy, I'm sure, this time of year. So, you say peels are becoming a thing of the past, right?
Yeah.
We're not about that. Where are they being replaced with this year?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me again. I love talking to you guys.
We love having you on.
For me, innovating in aesthetics is the future. And peels are well known for renewing your skin, but you know, you have to deal with the peeling, the itchiness, the dryness. Now we have a new product called PRX Derm Perfection that promises to do everything that a peel would do without the side effects or the downtime. And it's very simple. What we do is we clean the skin, we apply the product, and we put pressure on the skin so the product can penetrate, and you get this glow that is amazing without any downtime.
Look at that.
Is it expensive, this one? What does this usually
Well,
cost?
it's not that expensive. It goes between $350 to $450 per session, and but when you see the results, it's worth it.
So we've actually got some before and after results. Let's take a look.
Ooh.
Yeah, you see
look at that,
there is a noticeable decrease on the lines around the eyes.
Yes.
And that is something very common with this treatment.
Wow, that's great. We've got a groundbreaking, oh, look, that's a good job with the guy there, too. So it's not just women, men, too.
No,
No, because it stimulates collagen. I'm going to be 50 in 2 weeks, and I've done them all. And
I said the doc's 140. Look how good this guy is.
Incredible. Next, we have a groundbreaking alternative to the controversial vampire PRP facial made famous by Kim Kardashian. That's aggressive right there.
Yeah, and scary.
What's going on right there, and do you like that treatment?
Well, what we used to do with the vampire facial is like we draw the blood from the patient, we put it on a spinning machine, and we separate the red component from the plasma, which is like an amber fluid. Then we go back to the patient's skin and we apply it with a derma pen, which is a pen with needles, and that creates a lot of trauma. And not only that, in the process, the blood can get contaminated. Now, the new thing is exosomes. Exosomes, they are similar to stem cells, which is known for renewing anything that you put them on, but this is between the cells and stimulates the cells to rejuvenate themselves. In this case, we apply it with a laser. I love this laser because it's a rolling laser. It creates micro channels that are dry. So then we mix the exosomes, we apply them to the skin, and since those channels are dry, the skin absorbs the exosomes and it's rejuvenated from the inside out. And as we were applying it, you see the redness of the laser going away because it calms the skin and stimulates collagen as well.
I want this. So less invasive.
Got it.
And how much does this one cost?
This one costs between $450 and $550, depending on the area of the country where they get it. But it's.
And does it hurt?
No, this one we apply numbing cream. The patient doesn't feel anything. They get a little pinkish. I always tell them, sun kiss, you're gonna be a little red. But then it goes away.
But you say doesn't, like a scale of 1 to 10.
Zero. Zero. When the numbing effect goes away, they feel this, you know,
tingle
sensation.
That's for me. I'm not good with
Let's
the
take a
pen.
look at before and after.
Yeah, you see the same thing. We go in and we stimulate
lines
collagen.
Are not as incredible. Look at that. That's great.
Yeah.
And downtime for this one is how long?
Zero.
Zero.
Zero. You know, you saw the model on
go to work next day.
He's in Miami. We're going to be in Florida. I'm going to line this up. All right, finally, skin tightening is being taken to a whole new level in 2024. Tell us about this.
This is big because we used to have very few options for skin tightening. We used to have aggressive lasers that people would have to hide in their house for 2 weeks, or surgery. Now we have microneedles with radio frequency. It's called Pixel-A, and I love this technology because it creates a very dramatic effect, and the patients get a little red for 3-4 days, but they go on with their life, and you see the results are amazing, and we avoid anything that is too invasive.
Ooh, look
Wow.
at that.
And you see,
and how much does this cost?
this one is a little bit more expensive because it requires, obviously, the numbing, the more time. The procedure, it lasts about half an hour. It's about $650, $750, depending. Sometimes we combine areas, face and neck. Obviously, that increases the price a little bit more.
And are those needles that I saw coming out of there?
Yes, those are 64 needles. Actually, every time we shoot on the skin, the needle go in. I like this particular machine because it has something called enhanced technology, which the needle go inside the skin cold, heats inside, creating damage inside the skin, and then it comes out cold. So we create this damage to force the body to repair. In that process, we simulate collagen.
Well, we've got a before and after pic. Let's take a look.
And this actually, the,
Wow.
the
Look at
patient
that.
herself sent me this picture. It's amazing.
Look at that big difference,
And
yes.
sorry to be the pain thing, but I'm such a wimp. 1 to 10 pain with this. When you do the numbing cream, and then we might feel a little discomfort.
Yeah, you feel a little discomfort during the treatment, but we can use also the laughing gas with the
Yes.
patient.
Now we're
relaxes and don't worry about the needles.
I said to the doc, can you knock me out and then just wake me up after it's all done?
All good things require a little bit of.
Oh,
little
you're
pain.
tough, though.
No,
You're
no
in the
pain,
thing
no
there.
gain.
All right, which of these 3 treatments are you most excited about?
I'm excited about the exosome because
second one.
Yeah, the second one. You know, stem cells is the future, and this is something that I see so dramatic changes
Awesome.
with something no invasive.
Have you
Very
tried
good.
all of these?
All of them. We
Yeah.
think I look like
how
this.
good
That's right,
he
that's right.
looks
He's glowing
coming
right
up.
there. Oh, well, thank you so much,
My
Dr.
pleasure.
Campos.
Great
Nice
to see you,
again.
Doc.
Great
See you
stuff.
in the